Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Remembering Christmas kit. This kit is a great way to capture memories from the Christmas season. It has everything you need to create a full mini album. 6 spreads. It includes stickers and alphabet cutouts as well. The printed sentiments come in English, French, and German. Now, as we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I like the idea of capturing your holiday memories in a mini album like this. It would make a great gift as well. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!